Hello, my dear students, and I'm really glad to connect with you once again after a long time through this video. As we all are locked down, and this pandemic called novel coronavirus COVID 19 has outbroken all over the world. And it has left us no choice except sitting at our home. And with so many things, your study has been suffering too. So here I am just to help you to cover up your few parts of your study. So today I'm going to teach you, because I'm your English teacher. So today I'm going to teach you this tense, the very basic and simple tense, which is really easy to understand, and its name is present continuous or present progressive tense. It has two names. So because our native language is Hindi and English we are learning as a secondary language, so first of all we must know how to identify this tense in Hindi. सो हिंदी में पहचानने के लिए कोई भी जो आप वाक्य बोल रहे हैं, कोई भी सेंटेंस जो बोल रहे हैं, उसके जो एंडिंग पार्ट है, जो उसके आखिरी शब्द हैं, उसमें रहा है, रही है और रहे हैं होना चाहिए. सो ये इसकी हिंदी में पहचान है. तो इंग्लिश में हम कह सकते हैं स्टेट दैट इज़ in that something is happening, that is called present progressive or present continuous tense. So you can see this part, you can see this line. So this is called structure, or we can call it syntax. It helps us to form a new sentence. So first of all, if you want to create this particular tense, so we have to put first of all subject, and with the subject we have to put according to the subject we have to put the helping verb. If your subject is singular, you have to put singular helping verb, and if your subject is plural, you have to put plural helping verb, and after that you have to add वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी. ठीक है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल इन ग्रामर, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू पुट ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स आर रियली इजी. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो हिंदी में इसके एग्जाम्पल्स होंगे, जैसे वह दिल्ली जा रहा है, शाम हो रही है, मुझे देर हो रही है, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ और आप पढ़ रहे हैं. ये सारे टेंसेज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस, ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस हैं हिंदी के अंदर. और इंग्लिश में आई हैव रिटन फ्यू एग्जाम्पल जस्ट टू simplify the things. So we can see the first example. We is a plural subject, so we have put are with we are watching a video, we are watching a video. I am reading an excellent book, and it is raining outside, and Ria is cooking dinner now. So इसकी हम बात करें तो हम वीडियो देख रहे हैं, मैं एक बहुत अच्छी किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ, बाहर बारिश हो रही है, एंड रिया अब खाना बना रही है. और इस सारे टेंसेस के लास्ट में हम देखें तो रहा है, रही है और रहे हैं कॉमन है, एंड दैट इज़ द identification of this tense. And if this is called affirmative sentence, and the second is negative sentence. How to form negative sentence? We have to simply put only not after the helping verb, and that becomes negative sentence. For example, Rohan is not paying attention on his studies. So we can understand the Hindi because you are in bigger class right now. So I am not listening to you, and Rahul is not working on that project now, and he is not sleeping at the moment. And after that we have to make interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative, but I have just put one type. So is he going to Delhi? This is a question. Is he going to Delhi? That means क्या वह दिल्ली जा रहा है? And is Rohit planning to shift in Delhi? क्या रोहित दिल्ली में शिफ्ट होने की का प्लान कर रहा है? And are they waiting for me outside? And am I wasting my time? This is called interrogative. And the last one is interrogative negative. Is he not preparing for exams? ठीक है, क्या वह एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी नहीं कर रहा है? And is she not cooking biryani today? यानी क्या वह आज बिरयानी नहीं बना रही है? So this was the tense, which is very easy to understand. And if we have to practice at home, so there is another method by which we can simply practice lot more. So for example, take this sentence: we are watching a video. This is affirmative, and we can convert it into negative, interrogative negative easily. For example, we are watching a video, we are not watching a video, are we watching a video, or are we not watching a video? For example, he is going to Delhi, he is not going to Delhi, is he going to Delhi, is he not going to Delhi? For example, I am getting late, I am not getting late, am I getting late, am I not getting late? So just pick up one sentence, and after that try to convert them or change them into all forms of the sentences. So if you practice that way, it will help you. So we all the time keep on speaking such sentences, so we know them. It's a high time that we should try to write them, and we should try to speak more and more. I hope this video just helped you little. Just take the notes and try to practice at your home. Have a great time ahead.